In the ancient world, disease was not a medical problem, it was a punishment. A fever meant anger, pain meant guilt, and sudden illness meant the gods were watching. People did not ask, "What caused this?" They asked, "What did I do wrong?" Temples replaced hospitals, prayers replaced medicine, fear replaced understanding. Epilepsy was called the sacred disease, not because it was holy, but because no one understood it. When a person collapsed, when the body shook, when the eyes went empty, people believed a god had entered the body. And for centuries, no one dared to disagree. Until one man did. His name was Hippocrates. He said something radical, something dangerous, something that changed history. Disease is not sent by the gods. This single sentence broke the ancient world. Hippocrates believed illness had causes, natural causes, human causes. He observed people. He watched their habits, their food, their sleep, their environment. He noticed patterns. People living in damp places got sick more often. Poor diet weakened the body. Lifestyle shaped health. To him, disease was imbalance, not punishment. This idea was revolutionary. Medicine was pulled down from the heavens and placed into human hands. Observation replaced superstition. Reason replaced fear. The patient became a human being, not a cursed soul. Hippocrates taught that nature heals and the doctor only helps. This was the birth of rational medicine. Modern hospitals, medical science, and clinical observation all begin here, not with machines, not with laboratories, but with one simple question. What is the real cause? Today, when illness strikes, we look for answers. But in the ancient world, answers were forbidden. Hippocrates made them possible. And maybe the most powerful idea of all is this: every disease has a reason, and every reason can be understood. That single belief changed the fate of humanity.